Hi guys, Shashank here from shashankgupta.net. Welcome to TweetAttacksPro3 tutorial part 7. In last video, part 6, we have learned how to set direct message tasks, how to set list tasks, and how to set advanced setting tasks. In this video, we are going to learn how to scrape tweets and tweet links, how to scrape Twitter user accounts, and we will see overall TweetAttacks Pro settings. Let's move to TweetAttack Pro and execute the same. As you can see, we are in tool section, and here you will get two options: scrape tweets and scrape links, and scrape people. So we will see how to scrape tweets and links first. You get two options here: scrape from these accounts separated by a comma. You can put your Twitter user accounts whose tweets you want to scrape using comma, or you can use this advanced search settings which I have explained to you in earlier videos. You can use a hashtag and use this setting. So this program will scrape all the tweets which has using SEO hashtag. You also get these advanced settings. Exclude the tweets with hashtag. If you do not want to include it, you can click this. Exclude the tweets with account mention, exclude the tweets with links, and exclude the tweets posted before a particular date. If you do not want tweets to be scraped before a certain date, you can select this date and select the date and click this option. So right now I do not want to use any of these settings. I'll just paste these two Twitter accounts, search engine journal and search engine land, and we will see how to scrape tweets and links. So I'll click on start, and this program will start scraping. As you can see, it has already scraped 80 tweets from these two accounts and 120. I'll stop this and we will see how to save this. So first thing is you need to do is select all. Once you select all, you can save links. These are the tweet links which you can use for the purpose of retweeting it, or you can favorite it. So these are the some use which how you can use these tweet links. Click on save links and you can save it. Now the next setting is save tweets. If you want to save these tweets, you can save it and you can use it for your tweet purpose. So this is how we will scrape tweets and tweet links. After that, you can clear it up using this setting. Now let's move to scrape people. Here I'll again put these two user accounts. Now here you can scrape following and followers both if you want to check and scrape the Twitter accounts whom search engine land and search engine journals are following. You can do that, or you can scrape their followers. You can use this advanced setting which says pause 25 seconds after when the scraper has continued for 3 minutes. So I use this 3 minutes as this setting. You can use the same, and let's start to scrape. Once I click, do you want to continue to search from last search position? No. And this program has started scraping. As you can see, the user accounts, search engine general, search engine land, and these are the accounts which uh, they are following, and these are the followers. So I will stop scraping here, and we have got 160 followers. You can again select all and save them. Now once when you are using it, make sure you remove duplicates, as this Twitter account is following both of them, so it's good to remove duplicates. You can save this, and this is preparing data for you. Saving data. Once it is done, it is saved in your folder. You can again clear it by using this option, or you can delete a particular user account if you wish to. Now this is about the tools and scraping settings of TweetAttack Pro 3. Let's move to setting part. Here you get a spinning option. So if you have a spinner chief settings, username and password, you can use this, and this will allow you to spin content while you are creating your task. Now let's check some important settings which are basic settings. Main thread amount, which you can keep as per your requirement, 3 or 1 or 2, and subthread amount, you can you set this as per your proxies, the number of proxies you have. Now what exactly they are, I'll show you. Right now I have made main thread is 1 and subthread is 5. I'll save this setting and I'll go back in task and I will run this task. Once I click it, you will see that all these three main tasks I enabled and I started, but only one is running here and with 5 subthreads. So you can see these are the 5 subthreads. So other main threads are not running, neither this tab 3 or neither this online, which means that I have set main thread as 1. That's why it is only running one main thread. Now I will go back here and I will change this to 3 and I will save this. Now I'll go back to the task and I will again start it. Now I'll click on start, run the task. Now you will see that all these accounts, all the three main threads will also run with 5 subthread. So the first email thread is running with 5 subthread. Again you can see online is running with 5 subthreads and tab 3 is running with 5 subthreads. So I'll stop this and I'll go back to settings. So based on the number of main task you have, you can decide the thread there and how many proxies you are using. Based on that you can decide your subthread amount, and timeout setting 60 seconds is good enough. User agent setting, if you have more mobile user agent or web user agent, you can import it to a list or you can add it manually using this setting and click on add. Then you can test that mobile user agent whether it is working properly or not. Proxy settings, if you have a list of proxies, first enable it and put it using these settings, or if you have in a particular file, you can select it through a file and save, test your proxies and save it. You can also load your proxies from whitehatbox if you have set it up there, or you can get your proxies through URLs also. I use this particular proxy setting as I have my proxies in a text file. So this is the setting about proxy. Let's check the next setting. You can save your backup your data every 2 hours, or if depending on after how many hours you want to save. Such a captcha setting, which is very important. At times you get captcha from Twitter, so to crack this you can use any of the paid service. I use that by captcha. You can put your username and password and save the settings. For shortening the URL, if you have a bit.ly API key, you can place it here. Otherwise you can use a tiny.cc service. So this is all about TweetAttacks Pro tutorial. Hope you enjoyed all the videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can use the below comment box. Also please check my blog. I have lots of posts on TweetAttack Pro, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.